everyone, my name is River and today we're going to be doing a super cute and super extra Valentine's Day makeup look. I've already done my concealer, my foundation, my powder, a little bit of contour as well, so you can just do your normal prepping bits. So first thing I'm going to do is my blush. I'm going to be using this palette, which is the Nightmare Before Christmas Sally palette with Revolution. I'm going to be sticking mainly with a lot of these pink shades, so I would say do like any sort of pink you want. If you want a softer look, go for like a pale pink. If you want to go super extreme, go with like a hot pink. I'm going to try and make the blush as heart-shaped as I can. I think I'm going to go with Roll the Dice first, sort of like warm pink. And I'm just going to go right on the center of my cheek and do like a swipe. Sort of like that. Kind of hard to see on the camera. And another swipe this way. Sort of to make like a V to make that heart shape. You can also go in with a smaller fluffy brush to sort of get it more the shape that you want as well. I'm going to mix in some different pinks too, just to sort of make it stand out and make the shape a little here. Once you're happy with your heart shape, we're going to go in with some highlighter. This one is the Color Fix, the Technic one. It's like a cheap one. And then grab your little brush. I'm going to go for this sort of like more pinky shade. Load up on that and just go right on the cheekbones. For my eyebrows, I'm going to keep it with this pinky tones because it actually matches my wig as well. So I'm going with this Screen Queen. It's sort of like a reddish pinky color. Some of that. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with Misfit Love, which is a sort of like mauvey pink shade. I'm just going to put that on the crease. I'm going to use my finger to use Moonlight, which is this really fluorescent light pink shade, to go on the lid. I recently learned this really cool mascara trick on TikTok as well, where if you heat up your mascara before you use it, it just looks way better and it's way easier to apply. So you could like put it in the crook of your arm or shove it up your shirt or whatever so it's against your body and has your body heat. We're waiting for that to heat up. We're gonna go in with some eyeliner. I love a big, thick winged liner. So next I'm going to be doing some highlighting bits that are a little extreme for some people. I'm going to be using a white liquid lipstick and a brush. Just taking a bit of the product onto the brush, not a whole lot, just a little bit, and then going in. I'm going to be going in the like tear duct area, and I'm going to be keeping the theme of the heart shape. I'm going to use a little bit. I'm going to really blend it out just on the tip of my nose as well. You can go over this in some highlighter as well. Now I'm going to do the bit that I'm most excited about, which is heart freckles. So I'm just going to do it in eyeshadow, but I don't think it's going to stand out quite the way I want it to. So you could do it in eyeshadow if you want it to be a little more subtle, but I'm going to go in with some pink liquid lips. Just like I did with the highlighter, I'm taking a little brush, putting some of the product on it, and then going in. So we're just going to make little tiny V's and make them look heart-shaped. You can do as many or as few as you want, but I have something called a too much gene, and I could literally just cover my face in these. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. Now we're gonna do the lips. So I am gonna be doing more heart shapes down here. So the main lip color is gonna be my Sugar Pill Little Twin Star one. So it's a slightly darker shade. And then with a lighter pink shade, I'm gonna go in and do the heart shape. I don't trust myself with this sort of doe foot, so I am gonna go back in with a little brush. Lips as noticeable or as discreet as you like. I'm gonna put some false eyelashes on as well to really make me look super extra. And now it's wig time. So I had this wig on in, I think it was my last video, where I've made this cute hair bow shape in the top. But I've gone and added little hearts in the side, on both sides. I just think it looks so cute. I just like made a little like whoop and then bobby pinned them in. If anyone wants like a tutorial on how to do the bow and the hearts, just let me know because I'm happy to show you. This is the finished look. I feel so cute. I also got this necklace from my friend Rainy, Pretty Little Strange. It's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna have fun with makeup and make some crazy looks, as we're all in lockdown anyway for Valentine's Day probably. Have fun with it. Dress up. Who's gonna see you? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!